value-driven operations, let's talk about transparency. So again, talking about disruption in the industry, most companies, when they do an inspection, they're gonna hide the bad things from our customers. So they're not gonna share the bad things that they find. What we do is we use a technology called SWEPT, and we have customized inspections for each and every one of our customers. And when we do those inspections in the spirit of transparency, we share those with the customer. So we're gonna show the good things that we do, and we're also gonna show the things that need improvement. And again, that goes along with a disruption, but also it's about sharing transparently what we need to fix. Because, if we're all on the same page, if the customer sees like, hey, we're finding the problems before they do, that's the true spirit of transparency.